Yo, how's it going? My name is FrankerFaceZ, whichever you call me. I'll be here to help you, show you how to, well, help you in any case, but to basically help you on how you can set up your chat overlay to have the name paints from 7TV. So I'll help show you how you can do that today, and basically get started right now. So let's go to your favorite browser and look up this exact thing, ChatIS Chat Overlay, OBS, something like that. And I use DuckDuckGo just to make it easier for me. So go ahead and go for the first link right here, or you can go for the second one. That's up to you. I go for the first one. So then I'm able to set up anything. So this is a chat fork, and this is basically way better. It shows 7TV name paints in the chat overlay, so you're basically able to see people show off their emotes as well. So I'll show you, as well as FrankerFaceZ's badges too. So go to your channel name. On the bottom it will say channel name. The channel name is your Twitch channel's name, not your YouTube channel's name. So you have to put in your Twitch channel name. My channel's name is FrankerFaceZ, or Eric, whichever you call me. Come over to my Twitch channel, twitch.tv/FrankerFaceZ. Go ahead and go down. I choose a small. I leave everything default. The only thing I change is the shadow is large. I made it so the shadows on the text is large, so I can see the letters easier. Go ahead and leave the emote scale alone. I go for fade, so I make sure my my old messages from people that they sent like hours ago fade away. So I make sure it's fade away at 30 seconds. Go ahead and put homies badges and enable that. Press that, and that should be it. I think that's okay. Go ahead and generate it. It's generated on the bottom. When you press generate, it'll be on the bottom. Go ahead and click that, press the click button, left click, then go ahead and minimize that. We'll go to OBS. So we go to OBS, go to your OBS. Here's my OBS. I'm gonna go ahead and press the plus button on the very bottom. You see sources, add a source. Press that. Press browser. Okay, press browser. I'm actually serious. Just go ahead and I put ChatIS overlay. Shout outs to ChatIS. Awesome freaking website. We're doing that. Do you know, like, the overlay for your chat? There you go. See, I paste it in here. Go ahead and do that, and that should be good. You should be all right. Go ahead and press OK, and it should load. There you go. The Pepe loaded, and it went all the way through, so it loaded fully. Test. Whoa. Like that, and it'll pop up regularly. See, it'll pop up regular font. See, it looks like a regular text font right here, and it pops up over here in the corner, but you can't see it. It's on the OBS. See, now the name paint and the subscriber badge of the 7TV thing popped up on the corner over there. You can see it like in the browser. It's right there, and so that means it works. So if it works like that, then that's where it works. It's perfect. So go ahead and close it, and that's really it. I think that's it for the tutorial. If you like this tutorial, and if this helped you, please let comment down below, press the like and subscribe if it helped. If you want to see future content, if you like this content, if you do think that this will help you in the future or something or whatever, just press subscribe. I don't know. You guys can do whatever. I'm sorry for peeking the microphone like crazy every time I clap, but I'm just hoping that this helps you. I'm literally